Oh, hi guys. Today we are considering the new topic, and this topic is about genetics and its surrounding regarding to the planning. And these planning mean advanced plannings are. So today we are considering how the genetic evolution is came from the beginning of human life on this earth up to today. So if we go back look at genetics is playing very key role every time evolution happen, and it's mean like every era is different due to this evolution in genetics. So genetics mean is not only one thing, but genetic is also playing a multiple replications and in different dimension and directions, so many things for human. So we can use genetics evolution for many things, with the statistic analysis of genetics. It's a very fantastic for in this era where we are right now. We can plan as a make it as a constant. We can go back and we can go in the future. So that means we are doing two things: studying the back in the history, and we are making the planning for the future. And that's on the base of genetics. So that means genetic is as our foundation. So if we look at, for example, food planning, how we do the food planning for the future with the help of genetics, how we design food in a different dimension and direction for the human needs, how genetics play a very key role for them. Same as its surrounding industry, how we design the different industry around food. So these all are very complex analysis, but they are very key. Same as genetics is also very key for industry planning. Industry in a different directions. For example, if we make the industry on the base of pharmaceutical world, under the pharmaceutical world, how many direction and dimension this industry go with the help of genetics and its analysis is very interesting. Same as other industry, manufacturing industries, they are also very important, because if we make on the base of genetics analysis, their direction and dimensions are completely changed. Same as we can do this industry for planning, for the human planning. If we look at in the past, genetic maturation in every era or maturity of genetics, that era reflect in their planning, in their different things. How much they are mature, how much is their planning is advanced. Maturity means what? Maturity is come under the evolution of genetics. Same as their construction engineering, also their structure engineering. When I'm studying in the past, these are analysis. It's really amazing how much they are mature. Today we are still using their examples. I hope you guys enjoy with my this, and it's going to be very beneficial for your brainstorming. Thank you.